basically state, uh, this is one node, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the nodes we have in a computer network. So what do we actually do in this algorithm? We visit a unvisited node and we see its shortest distance from the root node. Once we visit that node, to go to the next node, we always see the distance from the basic root node. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain this with the help of an example. So I'm gonna start now. So I'm gonna write all the nodes here first. So at the beginning, you consider you are at one node which is not in any of this, which is not present in the network. So your distance from that node to any of the nodes is infinity, right? So initially all the distances are infinity. Now suppose you want to start from the root node. So if I start from the root node, initially I'll start from 1, which means I am present at 1. So if I am at 1, then my distance from 1 will be 0. From 2, since 1 and 2 are connected, the distance from 2 will be 4. Since 1 and 3 are not connected, they are not directly connected, so there is no distance between 1 and 3, so we're going to name it infinity. 4, now 1 is directly connected to 4, so the distance between 1 and 4 will be 8. 5, is 1 connected to 5? No. So again, distance will be infinity. Now, what we do, we have this row. We see which is the minimum distance here, 0, 4, infinity, 8, infinity. The minimum distance here is 4, right, since we have already visited 1. So next we are going to visit node 2, since this has the minimum distance of 4. So this is my visited column. So the next node I'm going to visit is 2. So this will remain 0, this will remain 4. Now I am at 2. So from 2 I have 1 and 3. Since we have already visited 1, we are going to only look at node 3. So what is the distance of the node 3? But since we started from our root node, we have to check from 1. So what is the distance of 3 from 1? 4 plus 3, 7, right? So this infinity we'll change to 7. Now 4. To see 4, we'll have to check this path, right? So what will be the distance? 4 plus 3 plus 4. That is what? 11. But earlier the distance from 1 to 8 was already 8. 1 to 4 the distance was 8. And from here, this path if we take, the distance is coming to be 11. So we have to choose the shortest path. So even though it is coming 11 this way, we'll let it be 8. And for 5, this distance will be what? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 7, 18. Since it was infinity, 18 is lesser, I'll put down 18. Okay, so now I've visited 1, 2. Now which is the smallest among 7, 8 and 18? 7, right? So the next node we visit will be 3. Okay, 3. 3 is connected to 2 and 4. We've already visited 2. So that leaves us with 4. So I'll write this down as it is. Okay. So now what is the distance if we travel all the way here to reach 4, the distance again will be 11. But from 1 to 4 the distance is already 8. So we cannot change that distance. So this has to be 8. And for 5, again to travel through 3, we have to take this path. So the distance remains the same, 18. Now between 8 and 18, 8 is smaller. So next we are going to visit node 4. Okay, so now we are on node 4.